Okay, let's look at this next example. Find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the origin. Okay, so once again, we write m, which is the limit as h goes to 0. This time, our function is x to the power 3, and the x point, since it is at the origin, x coordinate is 0. So this will be f0 plus h minus f0 divided by h. And this equals fh. What is f of h? H to the power 1/3. What is f of 0? It is 0 divided by h. So this is limit as h goes to 0 of h, this should be 1. 1 divided by h to the power 2/3. So as h goes to 0 from either left or right, this expression is going to this expression is approaching to 0 from right, which means that this is positive, but it's very small. So this limit is plus infinity. So this means that the tangent line is a vertical line, and its coordinate is given by x equals 0. Okay, so let me try to sketch the graph. So it will be something like this. So we have a vertical tangent line at the origin.